Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a slime video, and we're going to be adding Play-Doh to this one. So, yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and turn the subscribe button to red to gray. So yeah, let's get on right with the video. So right now, I have this slime out. I was just playing with it. So we're just going to put this one back. And we're going to bring this one out. And it is hard. And add a little Play-Doh. Not that much. So, yeah. So I'll be right back because I have to do something. So we're coming and we're back. We're back and we have to get this slime out because we're going to be fixing it. And this slime smells horrible and is really sticky. So, and we have activator over here. I'm just gonna dip it in and hurry up and take it out and put it back over there. And don't worry about that last clip. I was in the bathroom, but I wasn't doing anything. I was just sitting on the toilet, not like the lid was closed. So, I'm just gonna scoop a little out of the container and add it. Because this slime does get a little sticky and it does smell, so we have vanilla scent that we're gonna use. On this slime, so yeah. So I'm back, and I just tried to fix the stickiness. As you can see right there is scent. And I'm going to use it, and it is vanilla. So, I don't know what it's going to do to it. I hope it sends it vanilla because it kind of did. Don't worry, that's my dog down over there drinking water. Here he is. That's my dog. Buddy boy. Buddy boy. Buddy boy. That's him. He just went in the camera. My dogs are not used to me filming. When I came back to eat dog food. Get out of the potatoes. No. Now he's over there eating again. So that's all the scent that we're going to use in this slime. But I said that we're going to be using a microwave. We're going to be using a microwave to fix my slimes. But the only thing this will need So then here is my other dog, Ginger. She's looking for food. There she is. That's my other dog. And her name is Ginger. And we do not have puppies because that dog, Buddy, is bigger than Ginger. So, yeah. So this slime is all fixed. It smells like vanilla. Oh, I accidentally put in the activator. Oopsies. I think I got that on camera again. There you go. Now I'm just going to put the lid back on. It did overfill, but it will deflate. So, in the beginning, we put this slime in some Play-Doh, and it fixed it. And it didn't melt it. I'm surprised it didn't melt it, but so we're just gonna put this one to the side now. So I'm just going to check how much scent I have left. I still have almost a whole bottle because this one is the same thing, but it's a different color, and it's sticky too. As you can see, it's sticky in the container. And I do need a plastic fork. Ooh, no. So I'm going to go get a plastic fork. I'm just going to be using this spoon. So yeah. So as you can see in the last clips with some ASMR with the slime that I showed you that was in this container, I did fix it by activating it. The only thing I did was put activator in it. Now we're just going to put some scent in it. So this is the only thing I'm going to do right now is put scent in it. And I do have to get more scents because your girl needs more scents.
Stop!
So the next slime is this Elmer's slime, and there is glitter in it. I don't know how there was glitter in it, but we're just gonna put it in the microwave for. So we're just gonna put the this slime, just plop it right in there and then just press it. And then wait until it's at a certain point where you still can pick it up, but it is a little warm, but you do want it a little warm. So, here's our slime. It's not sticky, it is sticky, but it's not warm. So 14 seconds for like a melted slime, but not melted slime. It is good. This one. And this is the one. I just realized this glitter that's in here is in this. It has to be my sister. So she's the only one that plays with it. But except for me, one time she fixed this slime for me off of camera in another video. So yeah. So here's this slime. It is a white slime. This slime was $5 for a pound of it, I think. Let me see. 24 ounces. So it was $5 for 24 ounces. And there was a little more, but I mixed it in with a couple more slimes. So there's that slime. Then we have 2 more slimes, actually 4 more. We have this clay, this butter slime that we're going to be scenting vanilla. So now it smells good, and it is butter. It did spread without breaking. So yeah, I'm gonna set you up, and yeah. So I don't know if this is a good angle, but we'll see. So I don't know if that's a good angle. So the camera's back in the original place. So there's that slime that we just put scent in. And then here's the Play-Doh slime. It isn't very good when you let it just sit out. And we're going to be tossing it in the garbage because it's nasty. So then we have this slime. It's a green regular slime. Ooh, it's a little sticky. So let's add activator. We have a little spoon. So I'm just gonna finish mixing this and I'll be back. So this is an old regular plain green slime. Nothing in it. So there's that one. Here's this one. The last one of the day is this one. This is a butter one, but this is not made out of like nothing. This is made out of cornstarch. That's why it's so poppy. And it doesn't really spread very well. Like, it only spreaded that far. That far. So, let's do a slime flip. And butter slime isn't this crackly. It normally just spreads and makes good swirls. So, and we're going to be adding some scent. This is a different scent. This is coconut. And I didn't add the whole bottle. Don't worry. It looks like I did, but I didn't. I just added about that much of it. And it does smell really good. If you guys can smell this coconut smell, then you would love it. So we're just going to do one more slime flip. So, let's go. Smells good. It wrapped around my arm. Oh shoot, it's on the floor. So, we're going to go back to our butter slime. It's just a small chunk. Sorry. This is a really good butter slime, but we're going to change it up. We're going to add this into it. So this is metallic pigment, and we're gonna add it in. I think that's good. Ooh, that's a lot on this bit. So we're just gonna add the metallic pigment in, and let's see what it does. I don't want it to make it a nasty color, but as well, it is making it shiny. So it really didn't do anything to it, but we're gonna add more. So yeah. Ooh, it did do something on the bottom. So we're just gonna add more. We might add the whole thing, I don't know. We added almost the whole thing. So now mix it.
Bye, Kelly. I can crack on.
No. Okay. Go potty then. So I did add a little too much of that stuff, and now it got hard, so now, so sorry about that, but we're gonna be putting it in the microwave for 14 seconds. So yeah.